What if I told you there is a place on Earth where compasses stop working, radios go silent, and entire ships simply disappear without a trace? No wreckage, no distress signal, no explanation. Just emptiness. And the most disturbing part is, this has been happening for over 100 years. This place is known as the Bermuda Triangle, a vast stretch of ocean between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Over time, it has become one of the most mysterious and controversial regions on the planet. Ships vanish here, planes disappear here, and sometimes, nothing is ever found again. But here is the real question. Is this a supernatural force, or just a misunderstood part of nature? Let's go deeper into the story. In 1881, a ship called Ellen Austin was crossing the Atlantic Ocean. Everything was normal until something unusual appeared on the horizon. Another ship. But something was off. It was sailing smoothly, almost too perfectly, as if controlled, but there was no visible crew on deck. The captain made a decision to investigate. He sent his men to board the mysterious vessel. What they found was beyond explanation. The ship was fully intact. Food was still on the tables. Equipment was in place. Nothing was damaged. But there was one terrifying detail. No humans, no crew, no signs of struggle. Just an empty ship drifting through the ocean as if it had been abandoned in an instant. The captain ordered it to be towed back, but then something even more disturbing happened. During the journey, the ship vanished again, completely, without explanation. Now ask yourself, how does an entire crew disappear from a moving ship in the middle of the ocean? Fast forward to 1918. The Cyclops, a massive U.S. Navy ship carrying over 10,000 tons of cargo, set sail across the Atlantic. It was a powerful and well-equipped vessel, but it entered the Bermuda Triangle and never returned. No distress call, no radio contact, no debris, nothing. To this day, it remains one of the largest unsolved disappearances in U.S. naval history. Then comes December 1945. 5 U.S. Navy aircraft known as Flight 19 took off on a routine training mission. Everything started normally. But soon, the pilots began reporting something strange. Their compasses were not working. They could not identify direction. And their surroundings looked completely unfamiliar. One pilot radioed in confusion. "We don't know where we are. Everything looks wrong." Moments later, communication was lost. And then, something even more shocking happened. A rescue aircraft was sent to find them. But it also disappeared. 6 aircraft in total, gone without a trace. Now the question becomes even more intense. How can multiple experienced pilots, trained in navigation, all vanish in the same region? Over the years, theories started emerging. Some people believed it was supernatural. Others said it was aliens or UFO activity. Some even suggested black holes or portals to another dimension. But science tells a different story. The Atlantic Ocean is one of the most unpredictable environments on Earth. Sudden storms can form within minutes. Navigation errors can become deadly in open water. And rogue waves, massive walls of water, can sink even large ships instantly. There is also the factor of human error. In a vast ocean, even a small mistake in direction can lead to complete loss. But still, one question remains. If everything has logical explanations, why does the Bermuda Triangle have such a concentrated history of disappearances? The answer may not be supernatural at all. It may be psychological. The Bermuda Triangle became famous not because it is uniquely dangerous, but because every incident that happened there was heavily reported, exaggerated, and repeated over time. Accidents happen in oceans all over the world. But in this specific region, they turned into legends. And once a place becomes a mystery, every event connected to it becomes part of that myth. So now I want to leave you with a final question. If a ship disappears today in the Bermuda Triangle, what would you believe? A portal to another dimension? Aliens? A black hole? Or just the raw power of nature that we still do not fully understand? Because sometimes the mystery is not in the place itself, it is in the way we choose to see it. And maybe the Bermuda Triangle is not a supernatural zone at all. Maybe it is simply a reminder that even in the modern world, the ocean still keeps its secrets.